ultralight ash blonde, ultralight pearl blonde, deep red light blonde, 20 volume developer. This is a level 11. I want my hair darker, but apparently I'm going lighter, you know. 25 grams of 102, which is pearl. Another 25 grams of 101, which is the ash blonde. And I'm gonna add about 5 grams of 8.6, which is straight up red. Okay, very, very little. Ooh, that is bright, girl. These are mixed 1:2. Since I added 55 grams of dye, I'm gonna add like 100 of developer. Dye, bitch. I'm not even mad that I'm showing my bare face to the internet. I got like 27 pimples on. And you're just gonna have to live with it, you know? This is a level 11 dye. I've got like level 8, 9 hair. I don't even know if this is gonna do anything. I don't wanna wake it up. I don't wanna wake it up. Now we wait 45 minutes to see if this even is going to do anything for our hair. Okay, so I've just rinsed out the dye from my hair. And I don't know what part went wrong, but the roots are insane. They look amazing. The ends are amazing. It's almost like pearl, it's proper pearl. But then I have a nice chunk right in the middle of gold. Where did it go wrong? So I'm actually going to re-dye just this part, just the middle chunks right now. Oh look, it's like my entire head is blushing. Hey guys, I'm ready for Coachella next year. I washed my hair 5 times. I dyed my hair once and then I toned it once. I blow dried it twice. I did my makeup once at least, thank God. Thank God, that's all it took. But basically, I put a significant amount of effort, let's say, into this hairstyle and it paid off. This is one of those colors that I didn't know what I was really getting myself into at first, and it could have turned out really, really bad, but it turned out really, really good. The color is, okay, the color is hard to describe. Blush, dusty rose, would that be it? Would blush be the right color to say it is? Thank God the ginger is gone, because I did hate that color. I'm sorry, that has to be one of the worst colors I ever did. As you could tell, I matched my face with my hair. Cool, so as always, everything will be down in the description box below, as well as some other alternatives. I know that not all the brands you can find, but a lot of different brands, Schwartzkopf, L'Oreal, Wella, a bunch of different have very, very similar dyes that you can attain. Cool, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sincerely hope you give this a go, even though you have to start with light hair. But whatever. Cool, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Ooh, oh my God, girl, look at this highlight. I look Instagram yet, I swear I'm down to it, but sometimes I like showing off my skills.